Later in this video, I'm going to share my dad's #1 secret that I used in my online marketing businesses that allowed me to retire at age 49. Stay tuned for that. My name is Mark Hanna. You might remember me from all those late night infomercials for the Hair Club for Men. Maybe not. Or it might have been those infomercials for six-pack abs in 60 days. Nah, maybe not. Well, maybe you remember me as a highly paid spokesperson for high-tech gear.
Why buy just a video game from Atari or Intellivision? Invest in the wonder computer of the 1980s for under $300. The Commodore VIC-20. Unlike games, it has a real computer keyboard.
Nah, maybe not. You might remember me from when I took the initiative and I created the internet.
So I took the initiative in creating the internet.
Don't make me laugh.
No, not really. Well, maybe you remember me from the World Series of Poker, where I was paid to do the worm in the main event.
Good times at the WSOP. Yes! 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 Get it! Yes! Woo! Ship it! Yes! Yes, dude! Yes, that's awesome! Yes! Doesn't get any better than that. Woo!
Yeah, that was me. But for $500, I'll do the worm. And I'll let them film it. Why watch any technology video or affiliate marketing video that I create? Am I qualified? Am I experienced? I'm a self-taught high school graduate. I owned my own business at the age of 19, retired at the age of 49, basically after 9 very successful and highly profitable years in several internet data businesses and in affiliate marketing. For most entrepreneurs, online marketing and affiliate marketing is a mystery. It's accessible, but it's not very intuitive. And there's so many different strategies and tactics to use it can be difficult to know where it starts. It can be a real pain in the neck just planning what you would do in your online efforts. I've always sought out the latest tech. In '77, 10 years before cellular, I installed radio telephones in my company trucks. Monthly cost was high. Customers paid extra for faster response times though, so the ROI was there. It was the bleeding edge of technology. In 1979, when the TRS-80 personal computer came out, a lot of business owners ran out and got one of those, but I was an Apple user. Lucky for me, where's TRS-80 now? Radio Shack is dead. I started out with an Apple II computer, and that was strutting in tall cotton at the time. It had 2 disk drives, 110K each. Well, in '80, I networked 3 Apple II computers to a common 10 megabyte, not gigabyte, megabyte Corvus hard drive. That cost $40,000 to do in 1980. That was cutting edge technology. Bleeding edge, not leading edge. You bled money. In 1980, I started my first data business taking queries over the telephone at 300 baud. A light bulb moment went off in my head that the future to easy money would someday be on online sales and online information. I felt like Fred Flintstone in this cartoon. I knew it was there, but the technology wasn't there yet. In '83, I switched to Unix multi-user computers and 2400 baud rack modems. Much faster, 8 times faster. In '88, my company was delivering data 24/7 online using rack modems to customers in all 40 states. It was a light bulb moment. We were growing, but we needed to demonstrate our services in a mobile office. So companies didn't have computers back then. Most companies didn't anyway. They used little teletype machines to access our data. In '87, my online company was the first company in Cincinnati to beta test a Motorola cellular modem. We had this 1986 Honey motorhome that we used as a mobile office. Customers would come out and see how they could get data online through the terminals. In '88, the online data business was growing pretty quickly, and I was actually using an affiliate marketing program for growing my own company nationwide. But I wanted to learn how to fly, and money was rolling in. So here comes the planes. Well, that's the advantage of having your own company and being your own boss. Now, in 1994, Jerry Yang and David Philo, they were from Stanford, and they created something that was totally unique. Jerry and David's Guide to the World Wide Web. Wow, it was crude. It was really crude. However, thank you Internet was coming, because in 1995, Jerry and David's Guide to the World Wide Web became Yahoo. And a light bulb moment hit me again. It's here. It's finally here. The money is available. So in 1995, I got into affiliate marketing very heavily with the popularization of the Internet. Remember the World Wide Web, the www dot that everybody put in front of their domain names? Well, in '95, marketing was pretty simple, but not anymore. In '95, I began purchasing and building up a domain name inventory. I eventually owned more than 5,000 domain names, on which I built websites to sell everything the affiliate would pay me to sell. Everything from underwear to credit card offers, it didn't matter. I had a website that would try to get traffic through the search engines and try to send them to a seller for affiliate marketing, and the money just rolled on in. In 2004, I was only 49, but I said, hey, it's time to have some fun. I retired, purchased a 45-foot motorhome, and traveled around the country. But if I were to take you back in a time machine, and you were to see what it was like when I actually retired in 2004, depending on what your age is, this time machine, oh well, smartphones? The Apple? No, we didn't have any Apple smartphones in 2004. What about Facebook? No, wasn't any Facebook in 2004. AWS cloud computing, where everybody's storing their data. Nope, that didn't exist either. What about Azure from Microsoft? No, they didn't have a Microsoft cloud either. And in fact, Web 2.0 was far from being implemented as it is now. Well, after about 11 years in 2015, I moved back to Cincinnati, Ohio. Family reasons. I got bored in Cincinnati, decided to see if I could get a job in the IT field. I quickly found a great position, and I love it, having fun. But in 21, I'm selling everything I own. I'm getting ready to travel the world, live out of suitcases, pack my laptop and cameras and a guitar, and slow travel the globe. But I'm also going to be doing internet marketing, and I'm going to be doing some coaching, and I'm going to be doing reviews. Hats I'm going to be wearing, there are going to be many, including senior cloud engineer. Qualified? Yeah, I'm qualified. Experienced? Yeah, got some of that too. Yoda's my hero. he's got it covered. But experience is what you get when you don't get what you want. And that's the important statement. My goal is to convey that experience I've got to my friends and followers. But here's that secret I was telling you about. When I was young, my dad literally sat me down and taught me the true meaning of what a mistake is. In business, mistakes cost money. Anything else is just errors in judgment. You'll know when you make a mistake in business because it costs you money. Well, my goal is to help people not make as many mistakes and not cost themselves as much money as it will take. So if you found any value to this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could tickle that like button and subscribe, share it with your friends. I'm going to be posting more good, valid data on internet marketing and affiliate programs, a whole lot of stuff. Well, thank you for watching.